Our next person is Sergej Zlahtic. He's the CTO of Tronog from Ljubljana, Slovenia. And Tronog is optimizing your design process using 3D visualization. And one of the things you're doing, for example, is building 3D configurators, which I personally think is super exciting and such a sleek and cool customer engagement tool, but also enabling companies to work with customization online. Welcome.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sergej, and I'm CTO of Tronog. And what we're trying to create are images for different companies. And here are some examples what we're doing. So we're working for auto-moto industry, and we're also working for fashion industry. So our job is to create everything digitally, and we're of course also using AI inside our company. And here are already some examples how we're using AI to prepare, for instance, for the projects that we can create discovery phases. And out of this we can create, for instance, animations like that. Of course, those are not really created by AI. We're still doing it manually, but AI is helping us to create better images or better preparation of storyboards. And here are just some of our details, like our different examples of 3D. And here is video, one presentation of one of our projects for one of the customers where we prepared configurators. So we're going from 3D design to creation of the logic and later connectivity directly with the factory. And actually what I would really like to talk today about is how we're preparing images with help of AI. Because actually there's quite a lot of problems with AI if we talk about like really creation of the image. And on this one we're showing, for instance, if you have a 3D software, how you can use your shape, for instance, 3D shape of a human, and then we can just generate whatever we need on this specific pose. So it means like different human, and of course we can put different 3D cloths on it. And here's another example of a configurator, how we can use AI human and just put it like inside and use it more like that would look much nicer for human, not just cloth, but actually also with human. Here's also another example for instance, for mix and match, where we would be able to just create different style poses. What is good about AI is that we can actually, for instance, now you can see there's always the same pose, but actually we have different ethnic groups of people. And for instance, that kind of images we would be able to make for instance, for the same brand, but let's say that on different sides of the world, like Australia or Europe or India or wherever, you would be able to just recreate the image with different people. And here's another example. And what is also good about this is like we can also create different sizes. So on the left side you can see the thin person, and on the right side a bit stronger person. So we can create that kind of things, and it doesn't really take much time. And this is another example how we're using AI. So for instance, in auto-moto industry, sometimes you're not selling just the car as a product, but you're selling happiness, joyness, that kind of things. And we're using AI also in that kind of examples. There are also other things you can do with AI. For instance, we can do old people, and of course we can do also childs. So there's not, like, of course there's a lot of limitations, but if you would need specific help, we can definitely help you with solutions, and we can custom develop it for you. So if you have questions, you can definitely contact us, and we will answer your email. Thank you.